Okay, this is a short video to see the current status of Waltech after the ice storm. So these are just things to block the cable going to Starlink, which is now working pretty well. This is the Starlink router, which is under a bucket in the yard, and that's the Walter way. You must always have some of your telecommunications under a bucket in the yard. And we're going to go inside here. We have much brighter lights down at the end now, and we're going to add more as soon as I learn how to dim them. Dimming's in the works. And reflow oven, cleared off table that actually had thousands of components on it that are now in the component bins on the rolling racks. Refill oven's in a new spot. Workbench 2. Project boxes. Now we go back into this part. This is the workroom. Yeah, I'm gonna turn on the light. And this was a lot of storage and kind of workroom at the same time, but there's 3 rolling tables there. Actually a 4th right there. Some storage. The motor rebuild tower on wheels. Another bench on wheels. That's made out of a Metro cart, and it's actually the primary table for motor rebuilds, but it all gets put away. So there's a small project there on that table, small project there is 3D printer. That's not mine. And now here's the queue/storage room. And so we got a whole bunch more shelves in back, and then more things on carts. There's a battery creation cart. Here is the access testing cart. Here is part of the hardware store on wheels. It's tall and very heavy. Here's the electric motor testing cart. See, everything on wheels, except for things on shelves. Look, empty shelf, 3 empty shelves. There's another empty shelf. These are things that will never be seen again. Then we're gonna go into the machine shop. This is the sonic area for cleaning boards because it's loud, so it can be out here. There's support for drill presses. There's an empty shelf that's gonna move. There's the mill, still on wheels, hasn't been set. And here is the lathe that's actually all set up and wired in correctly and has an on-off switch and works great. And there's space in the middle just for things on wheels. There's the welder on wheels. There's a hydraulic cart on wheels. And over here we have some more storage. Look, behold, empty shelves. And then we have real good lighting in here. And there's some shelves up high for things that you don't have to access too often. Here's the old pick and place machine. Can't get myself to throw it away. Here's all the tooling and support for the lathe and the mill. And here's small hardware and a bunch of servo motors and things that I probably should sell, but can't make myself do it. That's the new big fancy Waltech facility.